Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Ford Ecosport versus the Toyota Raize. We'll dive into their key differences, helping you decide which compact SUV best fits your lifestyle. The Ecosport often appeals with its sturdy feel, while the Raize draws attention with its contemporary styling and efficient performance. Let's explore what each vehicle brings to the table for daily driving and weekend adventures. When it comes to performance, the EcoSport usually provides a more traditional driving feel with its larger engine and conventional automatic gearbox. The Raize, however, often prioritizes fuel efficiency and smooth acceleration through its smaller turbocharged engine and continuously variable transmission. Both offer adequate power for city driving, but the Raize often includes more modern safety and infotainment tech. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this comparison, please hit that like button and subscribe for more car reviews. Quick recommendation: just like these cars help you get around, these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers can help you stay organized and fueled on the go. They're perfect for packing healthy lunches for your busy week. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Considering size, the EcoSport typically has a slightly larger footprint, which can translate to a more substantial feel on the road. The Raize, being more compact, excels in urban environments, making parking and navigating busy streets simpler. Both vehicles aim to maximize interior space within their segments, but their differing dimensions will influence overall passenger comfort and cargo capacity for your daily needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.